Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Bin 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And yes, Bitcoin is still falling. Yesterday, if you watched the show, you'll see that I told you please do not buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin is now in a sell mode after we broke below 97,800. If you've been following my show, you know I've always been making the right prediction when it comes to spot trading and investing in cryptocurrency. And you need to understand something. This is not financial advice. It's just for educational purpose and entertainment. But with my years of experience in the game, I have been able to make prediction right with more than 95, or let me say 90 to 95%. All right, I am Ahmed Magic Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. If you're wondering what we do on the show, we have a lot that we unpack on this show, like checking what the news that are making waves are looking like. Also, like checking what the chart analysis is looking like to know if we need to get into the market or leave the market. Also, we're going to check the economic calendar, the sentiment between the buyers and seller in the market. And don't forget, we're going to check the cryptocurrency market cap as usual as well to know how the whole cryptocurrency space is doing. So if you're interested in these and you like what we're doing on the show, you might want to join the team and the bandwagon. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always get all the juicy content that will be dropping for you daily. You can follow me on Facebook, on X, and you can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok to get more nugget as I drop it from the space. All right, without wasting our time, let's dive into today's business. And if you look at the chart right now, you will see that BTC is falling. Yes, BTC is falling. But let's go into the news first to see what the news are looking like. All right, the first thing that caught my eye this morning is Bitcoin dipped below 80,000 US dollars and Ethereum test 2,100 amid Trump tariff concerns. We all know yesterday when the UK Prime Minister visited Donald Trump and some question was asked and he made mention and he said he is still going to hit China hard and Mexico and Canada tariff is coming, and that made a lot of investors react to the market, and that is why you're seeing what is going on. And we all know there was a ByBit hack that was amounted to 1.4 billion US dollars, and it has not been recovered, even though it's been traced to some group in North Korea. We're still going to see what happened about that. But Bitcoin price continued to drop to its lowest point in months as a result of Trump recent tariff announcement. Let's take a look at another news on the radar. Still talking about the tariff, not only Bitcoin is affected, but even altcoins and meme coins. You can see XRP, Dogecoin plunge 10% as fresh Trump tariffs hit China market. That is crazy. And you can see overall crypto market capitalization fell 8% to 2.7 trillion, reversing and advancing since Republican Donald Trump was elected as the US president in early November. All right, let's take a look at another news, and it's still about Bitcoin. Bitcoin and Ethereum hit new lows as investors retreat from crypto and stock, and that has now caused a big issue because Bitcoin is now set for the worst month since June 2022 and also worst week since November 2022, and that is going to really cause bring a lot of concerns when it comes to cryptocurrency. All right, let's take a look at another news, and this is still BTC. Now we can see BTC is already tanking, but yet we have about 4.7 billion options that is going to be expiring today. Will that also affect BTC to tank more? That is what we need to watch out on the chart analysis shortly. All right, that's that about BTC. But before we go on, let me still share this about BTC. BTC dumps below 80,000 as trade war tension escalate between China and United States, and also with Mexico and Canada. And good news for GBP or for Great Britain. Trump said he does not think it's going to increase or give them tariff or tax them, whatever they call it, because he believes they have a good relationship when it comes to security wise, allies, and even trade wise. So I think GBP should be spared of all these things. All right, let's dive into another news, and this one is now regarding meme coins. Meme coins not classified as securities under federal law, says SEC. And if you look at this, the Security and Exchange Commission stated that meme coins are not considered securities under federal laws due to their characteristics. Meme cryptocurrency based on internet jokes and memes are highly volatile digital assets that do not fit the classification of security. And also SEC said that now Democrat proposed meme coin act to restrict government officials from promoting cryptocurrency. I think I support this because some government officials, they're already influential already. Imagine now they're not still launching token and stuff like that. I don't think that is good because that could be kind of what we call conflict of interest, because you are to work for the people. Now you are not launching something for the people again. So that could be not a good thing. So I think this bill, I don't know if it's going to hold, but that is what the House Democrats are trying to do. Let us take a look at another news, and this is still about SEC. Now SEC dismisses lawsuit against Coinbase in regulatory reform pivot. And this is the joke of the day, understand. Michael Saylor says, sell your kidney but keep Bitcoin. Is just being sarcastic. You do not need to sell your kidney for anything, and you do not need to trade cryptocurrency with any money you do not have. Make sure you do your own research, know what you're doing, and trade with the money you can afford to lose. So you don't need to sell your kidney. I believe is just joking. Yeah, but holding on to Bitcoin is what it's been doing for years as it keeps on buying more BTC. All right, that's what I have for you on the show, on the news this morning regarding the Bitcoin and breakfast show. Now, let us dive into what the cryptocurrency market cap and the event of the day is looking like. We're going to start with the event of the day. And if you look at the calendar right now, you'll see that we're expecting a news to come out of Canada at 1:30 UTC GMT, and also core PCE price index month to month to come out of United States of America at 1:30 UTC GMT. Also, we're going to be expecting Chicago PMI at 2:45 p.m. GMT and UTC. And these are what we'll be looking at regarding the economic calendar today. All right, let's dive into the cryptocurrency market cap before we check what the chart analysis is talking about. But if you look at the cryptocurrency market cap now, it's way down. We've lost literally about $1 trillion in a couple of months, and that is huge. Because if you're watching the show, if you remember, like a month ago we were sitting, or a month plus ago we were sitting on $3.8 trillion, and now we're down to $2.7 trillion, and this means we've lost about $1 trillion in a couple of weeks, and that is why this might be the worst month and even weeks for BTC since 2022. But that doesn't mean anything. We're still going to check the chart and see if there is opportunity for us now to buy it at a cheaper rate, or we still need to fold our arms and wait. We're going to discuss that shortly. So the market cap is trading at $2.7 trillion, and the traded volume in the last 24 hours, the trading volume in the last 24 hours is $198 billion US dollars. You can see Ondo is trending, Ethereum is trending, and you can see the top gainers right there. Now let's check the top 20 cryptocurrency uh, list on the market. And if you look at number one, it's still Bitcoin, of course, even though it has dropped about 18% in the last 7 days, and ETH has dropped more than 20% in the last 7 days, and ETH is sitting at number 2, Theta at number 3, XRP at number 4 with more than let me say 23% drop in the last 7 days. BNB at number 5, more than 10% drop. Solana at number 6, more than 20% drop. USDC at number 7, that's a stable coin. 8 is Dogecoin, more than 25% drop in the last 7 days. Cardano sitting at number 9, more than 24% drop in the last 7 days. Lido Stake at number 10 with more than 20% drop in the last 7 days. Tron at number 11 with 10% drop in the last 7 days, 10.8, excuse me. And number 12 is Wrap BTC, 18% drop in the last 7 days. Litecoin, Wrap ETH at number 14 with 22% drop in the last 7 days, while Litecoin at number 13 with 10% drop in the last 7 days. Chainlink with 23% drop is now sitting at number 15. Avalanche with 16% drop in the last 7 days is sitting at number 16. Leo token with 5% drop in the last 7 days is sitting at number 17. While Sui with 23% drop in the last 7 days sitting at number 18. Toncoin is at number 19 with 9.7% drop, and Stellar is at number 19, while Toncoin is 20. Stellar is number 19 with 22% drop, and Shiba Inu is now sitting at 21 with 13% drop. If you're interested in knowing the top 100 to top 1000 cryptocurrency on the market, you might want to check out CoinGecko.com for that more information. All right, let's dive into what a lot of you have been waiting for, which is the charts analysis. But before we do that, please subscribe to the channel. It's Crypto101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get the content as I drop it immediately. And also you can comment on your favorite token you want me to talk about. You can follow me on Facebook, on X for more news out of the space, on Instagram, and on TikTok for more nuggets that I'll be dropping for you out of the space, excuse me. All right, now let's dive into what the chart is looking like. Earlier on, I showed you BTC is trading at 79,000, and right now it's trading at 79,922 with opportunity of buy not still being given. So if you're an investor or you're a crypto sports trader, please still stay away from the market. I told you this yesterday, it's not a buy and it's still not a buy today. Please stay away from the market. But if you're a future trader, derivatives, margin trader, leverage trader, you might want to join my Discord channel, my Telegram channel, where I give signal when the opportunity present itself. And that way you can take 1 or 2 trades daily, but that is when the signal presents itself. But if you're a spot trader and investors, this is for you. Please stay away from the market. Let's take a look at ETH. With Ethereum as well, stay away from the market. With Sui, stay away from the market. With XRP, please stay away from the market. With Avalanche, stay away from the market as well. With AAVE, please stay away from the market. With Solana, stay away from the market. With Toncoin, please stay away from the market. And with ADA, please stay away from the market. So basically, both Bitcoin and altcoin are in sell mode right now. Please stay away from the market. We are going to get a proper entry in the nearest future, and we can invest back or start our spot trading and make money back, even though the market has been sliding down. There will always be when the market is going to slow down and going to present itself for us to enter back. So please do not FOMO in. You can see my prediction has been, I don't want to use the word 100%, but more than 95% correct since I've been analyzing this show. But remember, this is not financial advice. It's just for education and entertainment purpose. Please and please do your own research before you invest in any token, and do not forget, trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. All right, let's move on, and we're going to check the meme coin. And if you take a look at meme coin, we're starting with Dogecoin. Of course, if you look at Dogecoin also is now a sell. Please stay away from the market. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Please stay away from Shiba Inu as well. Shiba Inu is now a sell. Let's take a look at Popcard. Stay away from Popcard as well. Please stay away from Popcard. Let's take a look at Ondo. Please stay away from Ondo as well. It's not looking good. Let's take a look at X. X is still looking nice. X has not hit where we need to leave the market. X is still a buy kind of. Let's take a look at Notcoin. Notcoin is still a buy as well. It has not hit our stop loss. Let's take a look at Dogs. Dogs also is still a buy, has not hit the stop loss. Let's take a look at Nero. Nero also, it's a buy, and we need to adjust. Okay, the stop loss still remain at the same spot. Let's take a look at Deep. Deep is in the sell mode. Please stay away from it. Let's take a look at Popcard. Popcard is still a buy, and the stop loss is still sitting at the same spot right there. Let's take a look at Trump coin. Yesterday I told you if Trump coin should cross above a buy, and it didn't cross, so instead it started going down more. So please stay away from Trump coin as well. Well, let's talk about Millennial coin. Millennial coin, it has never been a buy since it's been long. I think that's the worst project on the meme coin market. So that is the charts analysis for the meme coins, altcoins, and Bitcoin on the show. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purpose and entertainment. Please make sure you do your own research and invest with the amount of money you can afford to lose. Now, let's dive into what the sentiment of the day looks like. Yesterday was extremely greed. If you look at what was happening yesterday, we're sitting on 10. Let's see what today is looking like. And if you look at today, if you look at today, we are now sitting on extreme fear yesterday, we are now sitting on 16, which is still extreme fear. You can see yesterday was 10 extreme fear, now is 16 extreme fear. Last week was greed, and last month was also greed. But when the market is sitting on extreme fear, that's where you need to start accumulating. But you don't still need to buy the dip, how am I going to call it, blindly, because the dip could still continue dipping, so you don't want to be falling into the ditch more and more. So we're going to wait and see when the opportunity is going to present itself. I believe probably next week we're going to see a perfect entry to make good money from the market. So let us see what will happen next week. But right now, extreme fear yesterday, extreme fear last week, greed, and last month was great. So that's what I have for you on the show today. Sorry it's coming a little bit of late. It's because I was caught with some other thing I was doing, and I will always make sure I come and deliver for you guys. And thanks for the support. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can always get this juicy information and our content as I drop it immediately. Also follow me on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok to get more nugget out of the space. I'm Kazim Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.